everybody, konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to my channel and improve your Japanese and English. What would you say car in Japanese? Okay, you can say kuruma. How about a bike or bicycle? It would be jitensha. What would you say a train in Japanese? It would be densha. Now, let's have a look at this sentence. This is a car to become kore wa kuruma desu. This is kore. Is wa and des is the same with full stop. For affirmative sentence in Japanese, they use des. The next sentence is this is a bike. You know that this is kore. Is wa. And then the complete sentence to become kore wa jitensa desu. Kore wa jitensa desu. Now look at the sentence. There is a train. That is sore. Is wa. And a train is densha. So that's why you can say sore wa densa desu. Sore wa densa desu. Well, try again this sentence and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you.